riboti ĩno.
Ministry ya ugitiri igitwara kabeni ya jukwaa la usalama gicigo-ini kia bunge gia Tiaty kaunti-ini ya Baringo. Minister Kipchumba Murkomen oete kanyaga kagũkĩrĩra rũhonge rwa kũthũrima mĩrutĩre ya wĩra ya maobitha a borithi IPOA akimera memenyerere rĩrĩa marandĩka riboti ciao.
IPOA to become very careful with their statements they issue because the investigative responsibility is in their own hands. Because then they are likely to jeopardize their own investigations.
Murkomen onotari wira wao orite IPOA kuthuthuria aria matabanirie cieko cia gucina ceceni cia borithi muthi wa mururungano wa Sabasaba ithenya ria kuthurima o maobitha aria mabuthirire binyamukiru.
These people were carrying petrol bombs and carrying and stealing guns and burning courts and burning police stations. These are not ordinary citizens. So IPOA should call them out because the people who are mobilized to come to burn a police station, steal a gun, burn guns, cannot be equated to peaceful protesters.
Murkomen ogete nĩ ibinda rĩa kwaria ũma na bonge itiganĩte cia gũtetera iboto cia ũmũndũ ciaumirie itetere arĩa mathũkangĩirie indo ciao mũthenya wa mũrũrũngano no ti kũgitĩra arĩa matabanirie cieko cia wĩkinaĩ tu.
Everybody we have arrested and charged, every human rights person, Law Society of Kenya are coming to defend them. So I'm asking, who will defend these people whose properties have been burned? Who will defend the court? Who will defend the police station? Who will defend the police officers? So I think it is time as a country we have honest conversation and we avoid this thing of sugarcoating these issues around the question of accountability on the part of police only without accountability on the part of the criminals.
Geribotera Inoro TV, Jetago Masi, Wadia wa Murithi.
Na Korea County